In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up for Freshsales. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Freshworks Freshsales CRM website. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page, because you want the official Freshsales sign-up area. When the homepage loads, look for the main call to action button that begins the trial or registration process. This is usually the most prominent option on the page, so it should stand out easily. Next, click the Start Free Trial button. As you do this, pay attention to what happens on screen. In most cases, you will be taken to a sign-up form or to a page that asks for a few details to create your account. Clicking this button is the key step that moves you from browsing the product to actually setting up your workspace. If you see any loading screen, wait for the form to finish appearing before you continue. Now that you are on the sign-up form, you will need to enter your name, your email address, and your company name. Start with the name field and type in the name you want associated with the account. Then move to the email address field. Use a valid email address that you can access, because you may receive a confirmation message or onboarding details. After that, fill in the company name field with the name of your business or organization. If you do not have a final company name yet, use what best represents your organization so far, since it will help personalize your Freshsales setup. After you enter those details, take a quick second to double-check the information you typed. Make sure the email address is spelled correctly and that the company name matches what you want to use in your workspace. This small pause helps you avoid errors later, and it keeps the sign-up process smooth. Once your information looks correct, the next action is to click Sign Up. If you want, quick connect your Google account. This option is designed to make sign-up faster by allowing you to connect using your Google login. If you choose this route, look for the area or button that indicates Quick Connect with Google, and then select Sign Up. Your browser may open a Google authorization window where you can confirm that you want to use your Google account for sign-in. Follow the prompts carefully and return to the Freshsales page when the connection is complete. At this point, you have successfully created your Freshsales account. The website will typically take you to the next stage of the onboarding process, or it will confirm that your account is ready. You may see options to customize your settings, explore the dashboard, or complete a few setup steps. Even if you are not ready to configure everything right away, your account creation is complete, and you can now begin using Freshsales. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.